Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are seeing a numerical based on relative volatility. Here is a question. This is for 10 marks. Vapor liquid equilibrium data for benzene and toluene are given as follows. See, this is the table format which will be given. That is mole fraction of benzene in liquid, mole fraction of benzene in gas state. So all the values are given from 0.1 till 0.9 here. Here also the values are there. I have just tried to adjust it. Okay, here we are starting from 0.22 to 0.96. So all these values are given already. So for finding out relative volatility, we have the formula here, that is given by alpha equals YA divided by 1 minus YA whole divided by XA by 1 minus XA. So this is the mole ratio called relative volatility represented by alpha. So we have all the values here, but for this what you need is 1 minus YA. Value is given. So YA, Y1, Y2, Y3. So all these are Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4, Y5, Y6, Y7, Y8 and Y9. So these are all the values you have to get hold of. Then you have to get 1 minus Y value. So 1 minus X value, 1 minus Y value, you first need to find out and make the table out of it. Then you have to calculate this ratio y by 1 minus ya, then x by 1 minus xa. So these are the values. For each individual value you need to find out all these things. Then when your whole table is ready, you have to find alpha 1, alpha 2 up to alpha 9 we have tried to find out. Okay, and then what you will do, you'll try to just get this average value. So here you are getting the average value you are getting here, and so this will be the answer. Your average alpha value you will get here, that is 2.445. I hope you will understand this. It is a very easy question and this is for 10 marks, and this formulas you have to remember, individual ratios you must know, so you can do this perfectly. Thank you.